There are honey pots to use as bathrooms, and any place that you see them set out in the wide open, they're available to use. Some crews have their own honey pots that are inside their own cones. So if they got a pit area and they have a honey pot in there, do not use that. People will get very angry about that. Another private potty here. So if you're traveling down to go to course 2 or 3 and 4 down this road, you see those blue flags there? You don't want to hug up against that, because that's where they're going to be picking up the bike and riders. And they're going to come down. You can see just a little bit farther down here where this orange pole is where you get the timing tickets. So there's people stop there to do that. You want to kind of stay out of that area. That's, you know, where that white truck's fine, but you don't want to really go over any further to the left than that. If you look over here, you can see that's where you can get some hamburgers or hot dogs if you don't like my lunch meat. But you may have to walk over here because we may have all the vehicles out in the line. Just saying.
Yeah.
Just saying. Generally speaking, we're going to be eating out on the salt, probably in line, but occasionally we can eat, you know, come here. But what I'm going to do is bring enough lunch meat and everything so we can eat out on the salt. It'll save us a lot of time and get us the runs we need in. This is where you can get your souvenirs. They'll have shirts, usually plaques, posters, patches, pins, stuff like that for sale. They'll have previous year's stuff. They'll have this year's stuff. They usually have a lot more stuff hanging out here, but I think the uncertainty of whether they were going to have the event or not, kind of stymied the amount of things they have available. But you can see the wind really picks up here in the afternoon, and the crosswind really makes it hard to run a fast time. Plus density altitude will get up to, you know, 7,000 feet easy right now. But there's Bill. Wave, Bill. Bill's our crew chief. He's smarter than he looks. But again, he had to be, wouldn't he? You see all kinds of vehicles out here. So Saturday and Sunday are pretty big days out here. It's usually about twice as big. I did have one more question. I'm sorry. About the drones. Who gets drone access?
Right over here.
Oh, she's a media person. Is that what?
Yeah.
Yep.
Come back here and get green one.
You mean Joanne?
Yeah.
Joanne, I got a guy that's going to be bringing a drone next year. What does he need to do?
Oh boy.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know it. He needs to come and show proof of insurance. He needs to have a filming permit. He needs to have a drone permit.
The filming,
What's he going to do?
He's going to, I guess, shoot over next to the starting line.
It's 3 miles
Well,
away.
yeah.
Okay. You can't
Fly it
use
over
a
the
drone over any people at all. At all. Period.
Okay.
So
Where does the permit, for filming permit, is that from the state of
what's
Utah?
he going to do with the? No, it's a B&I. So sells it.
Yes, he does.
Yeah. Puts him in a B&I permit thing. It's $1,500 a day to film our event, and $300 for a drone.
Well, but if it's just me or somebody else that's not doing it for money.
Yeah. It's tough. It's a tough one.
You don't have very many drones out here?
No.
All right.
And the ones that we do are paying.
So if they just did a like drone of outside here, no people,
On the
just
other side of the pits, towards
Yeah.
the mountain.
yeah. He's not going to get much, but it just kind of gives you an idea how big the place is. You know what it looks like, the grandeur of the place.
Yeah.
I think that's what he's looking for.
Well, he'd have to have somebody with him. I mean, we can't, you know, drones have to be escorted. So he'd have to pay somebody to be with him. Yep, I'm not kidding. We do not allow drones.
You know, I
unless,
thank you. If he has a
people to-
drone question, any drone specific questions, I may have him email you.
Sure.
Because he's in the UK and
Oh, he is. He's
Yeah.
in the UK. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.